Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Primetime Vault. My name is Deepak and in this video I'm going to discuss about the best investment source. So hope you like it. So guys, first of all, what is investment? Why investing a money play an important role in our life? So guys, as per me, investment is a part of a life where some of the people think from the very first job or business income, whatever we plan and start. And the time comes in our age where we all think about the investment of our money, that where should we invest so that we can get a good amount of return without any risk in capital. So in that case, we ask from our friends, family, relatives, or any other people, whatever comes in our mind. So guys, as we all know, we are going through this pandemic where we most of us have lost our jobs, most of the businesses got shut down, most of our salary got reduced by very high margin, and so most of us are looking to invest to multiply our savings. So in that future, if anything happens like this pandemic, we should not only rely on our job or businesses. Also, we always look for investment where there is no manpower needed and without investing our so much time. So these are most common sources of available in the market, like gold, real estate, keeping a bank balance, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, public provident fund, which is PPF, mutual funds, government bonds, and RBF fixed bonds, and my favorite one, which is stock market. So guys, all sources have its own advantages and disadvantages or their own benefit. So considering gold as an investment source, where we old ages people think that if we buy this much amount of gold and if we keep for 5, 10, 15 years, then our money gets multiplied by very high margin by selling that. But nowadays it doesn't happen like this. As we all know, gold is reached to its very high value and now it's slightly fluctuating and volatile, and currently went down after relaxation in lockdown between July and August. So after lockdown, many Indians have invested in gold due to old ages mentality, due to which gold price reached to its all-time high. But after relaxation of lockdown, prices were significantly went down, but it still gave good returns. But as per me, investing in gold, we require very high amount of capital, which most of us don't prefer to go for. Coming to the another one, which is real estate. So guys, this option is also not available to most of us, as in this we need a very high amount of capital to invest, which most of us don't prefer to go for this option. Coming to the another one, keeping as bank balance. So guys, if we don't get any source of investment, we keep our savings in our bank account itself to earn at least 4% of interest. Coming to the another one, which is fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Now, fixed deposit and recurring deposit again has a very less amount of interest, which is currently 6 to 7% by any private or nationalized bank. Also, we don't have flexibility to access our funds, and if suppose we need our money in urgent cases, and if we withdraw our funds, we have to bear a penalty on interest also. Also, this option is available on premature closure plan of FD. Also guys, just wanted to let you know all, there is a reduction in interest rates also comparing to the 2017 rate, where we were getting at least 8 to 9%, but compared to the current situation, we are getting only 5 to 6%, and there is fixed interest rate in this option. So So guys, coming to the another one, which is PPF, Public Provident Fund. So guys, in this option, we have a very high lock-in period of 15 years. That means once you invest in this option, you will not able to withdraw your money before 15 years. And also, it cannot be closed prematurely. And in this one, we will get only 6 to 7% of interest. So guys, coming to the another one, which is mutual funds, SIP. So guys, mutual funds have many schemes of investment like the low risk, medium risk and high risk, includes no risk, where amount of return is only 8 to 9% approximately. Now in this one also we have a lock-in period, which is our money stuck for 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 8 years, depends upon your plan. It means we will don't have access to our funds as they are blocked in the plan. Also, there is no guarantee of return in this option. Also, returns are not fixed in this option. So, guys, my suggestion is if you have a proper knowledge, then only invest in mutual funds. Guys, again, don't invest in mutual funds by any reference of friend or relative. Also, just wanted to let you know there is a one news which you have heard or not. Whoever is investing in mutual funds or SIP, about Franklin Templeton issue occurred in August 29, 2020, where six of their schemes got wind up, and whoever has invested in their those specific schemes, their redemption got rejected for their current withdrawal as their money got frozen for some time for whatever reason, and their money is kept on hold. Just wanted to let you know, guys, Franklin Templeton is the ninth largest mutual fund house in the world. Still, this issue occurs. So I'm not saying don't invest in mutual funds or SIP, but invest only if you have a proper knowledge about it. Whoever is a beginner, I personally don't suggest, but it's all up to you. At the end, that is your money. So coming to my favorite one, which is share market or stock market. So guys, what is share and what is share market? So stock market, equity market or share market is a cluster of buyers and sellers of stocks, also called shares, which represent ownership claims on businesses. Okay, I will give you a simple example. Suppose a one businessman had a company named ABC, which has a value of 35 lakh. Now he wanted to increase his business and he needed another 20 lakhs. Now he doesn't have more money to grow that business. So what he will do, he will issue a shares of 30 lakhs of his company with a face value of 10, which is 3 lakh shares. Now people will buy shares of ABC company and that businessman will get 30 lakhs which he needed for business growth, and share buyers are now a shareholders of a company. Now, what is share market? Now, suppose if we want to buy anything from the market, we go to the market. But now to purchase and sale of the shares, we have a share market, also known as stock market. Now we have two popular markets in India, which is BSE and NSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, where the most of the buying and selling happen. Now, how shareholders earn the profit who had purchased the shares now. Suppose we had purchased 50 shares of XYZ company at rupees 100, which is 5k, and after some time share price will increase to 150 depending upon the company we select. Take it 1 month. After 1 month, share prices increases to 150, then our invested amount will increase to 7.5k. Generally, if we see share prices increases only if you take a look at the Sensex, all-time high of 2003 and all-time high currently. There is a huge amount of difference. All-time high of Sensex is now 45k. So now take a look at the Bajaj Finance share. So guys, on 22nd May 2020, closing price was 1895, that is 1895 for share, and closing price on 22nd November, the closing price was 4908 shares. That means if we invest 19,000 approximately, we get 49,000 now on 27th November. That means it gives 259% return just in 6 months. The second one is Suntac Realty. Closing price of this share on 15th July was 170 rupees per share, and closing price on 2nd December was 329 per share. That means if we invest 17,000 also, we get 32,900 just in 5 months, which is 193% return. So guys, in stock market, we all have a choice to start with our own choice of amount depending upon the price of the share or script. So guys, these are few Indian and global markets where trading happens. The first one is BSE and NSE, which is Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Second one is Dow Jones and Nasdaq, which is of USA. Third one is Singapore Nifty, which is of Singapore. The fourth one is DAX, which is of UK. Fifth one is Hang Seng, which is of Hong Kong. Sixth one is Nikkei 225, which is of Japan. So guys, how to invest in this share market and stock market? Just you have to open a demat account. That's it. And these are the ways to invest, like the stock, equity, options, futures, and commodities. These are few examples of sectors of stocks and shares where we can invest. Like the first one is pharma, healthcare stocks, FMCG, which is fast moving consumer goods, banking, automobiles, and ancillary, NBFC, which is non-banking financial companies, metals, and many more. So guys, these are the types of trading investment based on the duration, like the intraday trading. In this, we buy and sell on the same day. The short-term trading, which is from 3 days to several weeks or several months, and the long-term, which is more than a 3 months to years. So guys, as we all know, we were going through this pandemic. I just wanted to let you know, in March when this COVID was started, all world market was crashed, including BSE and NSE, which is of India, and set a buying time. I personally know whoever has invested in March have earned a huge amount of money. So guys, still market still there is not entirely have recovered from this pandemic. For example, banks, NBFC, auto sector stocks have only recovered 20%. Still, 80% is remaining to rebound to reach at the top. Compared to the pharma stocks, which recovered almost 80%. So guys, in stock market there are three types of investors, which is first is FII, foreign institutional investors, which consists of federal banks, private banks, foreign and central banks, foreign government agencies, pension funds, an insurance company. Second one is DII, which is domestic institutional investors, consists of mutual fund houses, UTI banks like the private and government, and insurance companies. And third one is we, which are retailers. Guys, this is just good to know information. So guys, this mode is only this mode of investment is only for those who have a good patience. I personally don't suggest to invest in this uh, the amount which is borrowed or taken any loan. Guys, please invest if you only have a spare money. So guys, this video is for educational purposes only. There is no any recommendation of any investment of about strategies or any sources from my side. Me and my channel is not responsible for any profits and losses made by you if you are investing in any of the above sources. So that's it from my guys. So that's it from my side, guys. If anyone planning to invest in stock market, please do reach out to me in comment section, and I will definitely help you. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also, please comment below with your questions if you need more information about the stock market. And also, I will cover up those things in next video. Also, please share this video to your friends who is looking to invest in stock market. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, goodbye and take care.